So in this section, we're going to combine functions. So it says if f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 6, and g of x is x squared minus 4, find f of x divided by g of x. So what they want us to do is take f of x and divide it by g of x. But remember, a fraction is like a division problem. So that means I'm going to have 2x squared minus x minus 6 all over x squared minus 4. Now, when we simplify fractions, we've never talked about this before, but really what we do is we do prime factorization. And so we need to factor these two quadratics. Well, the bottom one, I know off the top of my head, is that's a sum or the difference of squares. In other words, it's x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Now, if you don't remember that, I can prove it to you real quick. X minus 2, x plus 2. This becomes x squared. This becomes negative 2x. This becomes a positive 2x. And then this becomes a negative 4. What happens in these difference of squares, this term cancels with this term, and you're left with this stuff. Okay? So now let's factor this one. We could probably guess and check this one. They usually rig these up so you can guess and check. So I start with the first term, 2x squared minus 6. I'm going to have a 2x and a 1x somewhere. Now I have to think of terms. Remember that these middle terms right here, they have to add up to negative 1. All right, so I think 3 and 2 might work. If I put a 3 here, no. I can't do that. I'm going to put a 2 here and a 3. Now, 2 times 2 is 4, and then we tack on the x, and this becomes 3x. But remember, this is a negative 6, so one of these has to be negative. I want these two terms, this one and this one, to add up to negative 1, so this is the one that has to be negative. In other words, I'm going to have 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Well, what's 4x, or what's negative 4x plus 3x? It's just negative 1x. So I'm going to write this as x minus 2 times the quantity 2x plus 3, because that's positive 3. Now, the reason I had to factor those is because what's x minus 2 divided by x minus 2? Just 1. What's 1 times this stuff? Just this stuff. So this ends up becoming 2x plus 3 all over x plus 2. And that, my friends, is the final answer.